In the last episode, you learned how easy it is to get started with Pro Stitcher. In this episode, Susan Manry is going to take you even deeper into the world of Pro Stitcher. In a previous episode, Susan, you showed us how to use the Pro Stitcher cropping tools to start putting designs in our blocks, and now you're going to build on that.
Yes. In this episode, we're going to take the tools we learned and we're going to create this small hoe cloth.
Ooh!
So I'm going to show you how to set up all of these different parts using all the crop features that we learned about. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so I've started us out. This is a 15-inch finished product. So I've started out by stitching the outside 15-inch square. That gives me the ability to easily set my area to fit in that space. So just like we did in the other episode, we're going to use the two-corner area tool to set this area. So I need to identify at least one of those points, and if I start by positioning my precision laser in the upper left-hand corner of my intended footprint, and then area tab, oops, I forgot.
Using a mouse.
I've got to use a mouse so everyone can see what I'm doing. If I start by selecting the area tab, then hitting the two-corner button once, and that is found here on the Pro Stitcher tablet, but it's on the handlebars here on the Forte machine.
So you have two different ways
Exactly,
you
I
can do
have two different ways of setting it. So I've used this. Then over here, I can actually input the numbers that I want. So if I don't want to have to drive the machine around, not that it's a big deal, but I can just input 15 inches, whoops.
And then you know you've got 15 inches.
And I know I'm going to have my 15-inch square. So you see how the Pro Stitcher changed? Now I'm going to input the 15-inch height. Oops, I missed it.
You're not used to using a mouse.
I'm not. So that 15-inch area accurately represents my 15-inch square on the screen. Okay, so now we're ready to start setting up our designs. And in order for us to do that, I kind of like this to be a little bit closer to me.
Okay.
So I'm going to go to the File tab, and the first thing that we're going to do is set up the outside of the design. So this little border around the outside, in this case we're going to start on the outside and work our way in, and the last thing we're going to stitch is the very center of it.